Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look that you can see on screen, and for that I will start with a primer first. I've already done my skincare routine. You guys know what I have been using off late, which is Cetaphil moisturizer and Nykaa serum. But I will start with my Relove H2O primer. I will only take one pump of it and apply wherever I know that I have a little bit of pores or I need smooth finish. Then I will take my Blue Heaven foundation, just 1.5 pump of it, and apply it first with the help of my fingers and then blend it out with my Relove heart shape blender. It has cracked from in between. Yeah, very ironic, but yep. So I'm going to just buff and blend all over my face. Then I will take my Rene Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I will start with the lightest shade first. And today I am not applying any concealer or compact powder as eyeshadow base. I'm quickly starting with the eyeshadows only. And you'll see that it works. Okay. So I have taken the lightest shade as a transition shade and I'm applying it all over my lid. And then I am taking this brownish terracotta-ish color and applying it all over my lid and also buff and blend it out on my crease line area. So I'm using this brush from Wet n Wild. It is under 300-400 rupees, not that expensive, and you can tap and then use windshield motion, or a simple swiping motion can also work, but don't drag too much. Okay. As you can see, I'm using that single shade and building it up to an extent what I want from my makeup look. So this was the color that I wanted. And then I wanted a shimmer shade. So I've taken this one from the palette and applying it all over my lid. But very softly and smoothly. I don't want this shimmer to take away the berry color that we have built, the terracotta-ish color. Then for my under eye area, I'm using my Milani concealer, one of my favorites. And first I will apply 3 dots. And then I realized, oh, I haven't been taking good rest. Okay, so I took a little bit more and then I just blended it with my pack brush. And I will only apply my concealer on my under eye area. I'm not going to build it on my nose, forehead, chin area. Kind of brushes are great when you want to work on specific areas. To make sure that everything is set, I'm going to use my compact powder from K Beauty and then move ahead with a blush from MUA Makeup Academy. This is very soft tone pink color. It does take a little more effort to blend it out and make sure that it looks very natural, but I'm up for that challenge. So then I will take my e.l.f. Spiced Apple Duo and I'll take that highlighter from that duo. I'm not using the blush today, but this highlighter is bomb. If you're looking for something very affordable, you will like it. Then I use this kajal from Zayn and Maiza. Not one of my favorites, but I still wanted to use it just for the tutorial. And whatever colors I have used for my eyeshadow, I will take those, and also the darker purplish color for my under eye lower lash line area. And then I will take that golden color and apply it on my inner corner. To make sure that my eyes look bigger and wider. And to finish my eye makeup, I will use a mascara from Zayn and Maiza. This gives a good amount of volume, but it takes a lot of time to dry. So it's up to you if you want to buy it or not. Yeah, so then I will take this lipstick from Zayn and Maiza. It's a beautiful brownish nude. The formula is not my favorite. It dries very soon. and it leaves those crumbles on your lips. So if you're up for that, you can buy it, but I'm just using it because it's a nice color. It's just for the tutorial. Okay, you can find similar colors easily in the market in affordable category. So this is the makeup look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. अब यहाँ से जाए.